Now this one adds another wrinkle to it, and so I want us to work through this together so we know what to do. Again, we don't have like bases, so we can't just have exponents equal to exponents. Can't do that. So what do we do when we can't find the same base, or we can't change the base? We use logs. Neither 5 or 4 is a common log, so we're going to use a natural log of both sides. So let's take the natural log of both sides. We can use a powers rule, which tells us that we can drop the exponents down in front. Now, let me rewrite that again. It was a little sloppy. Drop the exponents down in front. However, notice what the exponent was. The exponent, well, actually it was a negative, not a +2, so I did it real sloppy. But notice the exponent was the entire sum. So I need to put parentheses around those, and likewise over here. So let's correct that mistake. It's an x minus a 2, all in parentheses. So our goal at this particular time is to solve for our variable x. So how do we isolate x in such a way? Well, a couple of steps here. First of all, we can distribute this log 5 across both of these terms. So I have x log 5 minus 2 natural log of 5 equals 2x times the natural log of 4 plus 3 times the natural log of 4. Just distributed, or distribution is all I did right there. Doing that now I'm going to collect all the terms on one side that have the variable I'm looking for. So let's just work on that up here. Well, I got one more line I suppose I can do. So let's subtract the 2x's from both sides, or this term. So I have an x log 5 minus a 2x log 4. And let's add the constants to the other side. Gives me a 2 log 5 natural log. When I say log, I mean natural log here. Plus 3 natural log 4. All right. So I have all the variable terms on one side, all the constants on the other side. Here we can factor an x out. Then I'm left with a log of 5 minus a 2 log of 4 equals all this stuff. Nothing new over here, folks. Nothing to see. And now we want to isolate the variable, which is x. So I'm going to divide both sides by this monstrosity. So let's just write it down. So we have x log 5 minus 2 natural log 4 equals 2 natural log 5 plus 3 natural log 4. Just rewrote that equation is all I did. Now we're going to divide both sides by that. So I have x equals 2 natural log 5 plus 3 natural log 4 divided by natural log 5 minus 2 natural log 4. And there's my exact answer. Again, if we want to find an approximation, feel free, put all that into the black box, calculate it out, and you'll get an approximation. So what do we learn in this one? Is what's important is that when we drop the exponent down, we're dropping it down as the entire thing. So we need to guard it with our parentheses. And then we use a matter of some of the tricks we've learned before. Do distribution, get the variables on one side, factor out what we're looking for, and continue to isolate the variable.